What's up, guys? I am in my little Honda right now, driving to Jake Allen's second annual Honda and Acura car show. Behind me, not sure if you can see it. Behind me is a little cappuccino that's following me to the car show. Not sure if you can see it, but he's right behind me, following me to the Honda car show, even though it's a Suzuki. So we'll see what happens with him. Well, we're almost there. We just got into Colorado Springs, so another 20 more minutes and we'll be at the show. It's been a long 1 hour drive. I made it to the Honda car show. I'm standing right next to a Honda Happy, which I met him from last year at the car show.
That's cool, you guys actually.
Yeah, about my car.
You should help him turbocharge his.
Yeah.
The wrist line all the way back there to this TL
Maybe I'll make
is all owned by one person.
Yeah, the white beat.
Crazy.
It has like a bunch of like. I also thought like this cool. It came on.
It's too bad that the Suzuki can't go into the car show because it's a Suzuki, not Honda.
Second time, I was so quick to put it back together, and I'm like, maybe I didn't tighten everything good. So, do you have a limiter on yours?
So here we have a blue convertible. It made only about 100, 137 of them.
I went to the.
Now there is a convertible CRX. They only made
Out behind.
about 87 of those bad boys.
So the behind.
And this guy, he likes to collect abandoned cars that's left out in the field. So this one is in bad
And
shape.
after they found the cure for
But he's going to restore them.
they became a research center, and then my son bought it.
And here's the beat that I bought
they
my
used to be
beat
off
from.
of, like.
to check out?
Yeah.
I might say your name that you won and you're not even up here. This one's one of my favorites. Best sleeper goes to Josh with the 1998 CRV. Josh, where you at? I don't know if you guys checked that thing out or not. It was super fun. That's pretty awesome. Best JDM goes to Zach with the 1991 Activan. Where you at, Zach? Check out this guy's shapes, man. I always love that guy. Alright, on the other Honda category, we got the 1986 Gyro with Brandon. Where you at, Brandon?
2 times.
Oh. 93 Civic Black, Robert Keys. Where you at, Robert?
That's pretty awesome. It actually belongs to Keith. He played in a couple bands. I know. Yeah. So I sold it.
And then for the low car limbo, we got KO hung with the 91 Beat. Where you at?
Yeah, the Datsun. So the Datsun, that engine's like really simple. And
Well, I'm out of here, so I guess I'll see you next time.
yeah. Well, well, you should like hang out sometime. I'll just message you.
By anyway, so
Yeah. we'll chill. Yeah. I'll
Alright.
just message you when I have some free time.
Alright, cool. I want to take a better picture with our cars. That's cool.
You want to take a picture?
I want to take a picture like our cool location.
Oh, that would be great.
Yeah, with both our cars.
Oh yeah.
So
Let's do it.
Well, let's do it before winter comes.
True. All right. I'll get in touch with you soon.
Alright, cool. Well, see you
Nice to
next
see you,
time.
bud.
So I just finished the Honda show is finished, and I'm over here with one of my Facebook friend that I just met for the first time, and he always wanted to drive my car, so I'm going to let him drive my car. Is this gonna be your first time driving a right-hand drive?
Yep.
Well, you can enjoy it. Let's go.
I didn't get in this thing. You're tall too. Okay, so I thought first was like where fifth is, isn't it?
The transmission is always the same. The layout,
Really?
Yeah.
And that's in like every
Car, yeah.
JDM?
It's because the way the engine is set up between JDM and here is the same thing. The engine is always on that side, training is always on this side. So the layout is always the same.
Huh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, you thought the motor was flip over or something?
I never knew. I always thought it was, I don't know, I always thought first was where fifth was on these. Oh jeez. Oh my gosh, this is so scary.
Quicker when you have no one in it.
How far do you want me to go?
Right-hand drive and a beat for the first time when you buy it.
Oh,
if you had the money.
If I had the money, I would buy it right now, 100%. I'd buy it over. If I had 20 grand, I'd give it to you right now, dude. Seriously, this thing
funny.
is awesome.
The Honda car show is done, and I let my friend drive the car. And now it's time to head back home. I got an hour drive. I also want a low limbo car, so So that was cool. That was my first time winning anything. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys do, hit the thumbs up and subscribe. And till then, see you guys next time then. Thanks.
All the sky